So as you might know, TikTok is one of the fastest growing social media platforms online, but what you might not know is there is so much money to be made on this platform. Now, some of the top tier earners are making insane amounts of money with the TikTok platform. Now, obviously, that is the top tier earners. That's the best of the best, but even you can go and get a small piece of this pie and make money on TikTok. And what I want to do in this video is show you 5 ways that you can make money on TikTok, and it might be a little bit easier than you think. Now, I know people making over $200 a day with these strategies. Now, that doesn't mean you're going to make that money. That depends on how much work you put in. But in this video, I'm going to show you 5 strategies that are making people over $200 a day on TikTok. And make sure you watch all the way to the end of this video so you understand exactly how these methods work. So if you have a TikTok or you're thinking of starting a TikTok, you're going to want to watch this video all the way to the end. So let's jump into this video and I will show you the 5 ways that you can make money on TikTok right now. All right, guys, now this is in no particular order, but this is one of my favorite ways to make money online, and it works really well with TikTok, and this is called affiliate marketing. Now, one of the places that you can go to find products to promote with affiliate marketing is called clickbank.com. Now, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is what you do is you join these affiliate networks, you find products and you promote them, and it gets tracked when you get a sale, and you actually earn a commission from promoting these specific offers, so you don't actually need to go and make your own product, course, or anything like that. Now, as you scroll down on ClickBank, you can see there's all sorts of different types of categories that you can go into depending on what type of TikTok you have. So if you have like a cooking and food TikTok, you can click on here and there's heaps of products in the food and cooking niche. And if we go down, we have things like e-business and email marketing and stuff. And there's programs on how to make money online and how to make money on the internet. Like, for example, this one here, get paid to use Facebook and YouTube, and you would get $35 per sale on average. Now, if we actually go back here and we click on the top products, you can see, so the top offers, it shows you the top offers on the platform that are making money right now. And then what you can actually do is you can click these things called affiliate pages. And on the affiliate page, it gives you everything you need to get started, like emails. You can go and get images, everything that you need to get started to promote a specific product. And all you do to promote a product is click promote, and then click create hop link, and you're going to get a custom link that you can use to post on your TikTok. And when people click that, if they make a sale on this particular product, you could earn around about $148 in commissions per sale. And there's tons of products that you can promote. Now, here's some examples. This guy here, for example, has a TikTok on ways to make money. Now, here's promoting his own product in the description here in the link. But what you could do, for example, is if you have a TikTok about making money, you could go back to ClickBank and you could go to e-business and e-marketing, for example, and you can go down to this one called perpetual income, and you can go to promote and you will get potentially $380 per sale in commissions. And you can go to promote and you could promote this specific product because this product, so it's about making money on the internet. And this is what this guy's TikTok is about, but he just promotes his own course. Another one here, this guy does making money, side hustles and things like that. He has his own link as well. This guy here who does content on affiliate marketing and side hustles, he has a link to one of his own courses. But like I said, if you have a TikTok in the make money online space, you could promote any one of these types of products from clickbank.com. So it really doesn't matter what type of make money online content you're actually doing. There's lots of examples of people out there promoting stuff in the make money online space. You could do the exact same thing. If you don't have a product, you can go to clickbank.com and you can find a product to promote today just by clicking promote, generate hop link, and get your own affiliate marketing link. All right, guys, so I think affiliate marketing is a great way to make money on TikTok. Another great way is to actually go live on TikTok because you can now make money by doing this, and I will explain how you can do that right now. So to go live on TikTok is pretty simple. You just go live on TikTok. Kind of like any other platform, you just hit live and you can go live. Now, the thing is when you go live, but you can actually earn money via gifts and diamonds. So if you want to go live on TikTok, you must be 16 years or older. If you're 18 years or older, you can also earn gifts while going live. earn money through live gifts and diamonds. So basically you can get virtual live gifts from your fans, which means you collect diamonds, which can turn into real money into your external account of choice. So essentially what you can earn is you can earn this currency on TikTok called diamonds. And what you can do is you can transfer those diamonds into real cash, and then you can withdraw those that cash to your PayPal account, bank account, and stuff like that. Now here's some instructions on how to go live. Pretty simple stuff. It's like most platforms, but essentially from there you can withdraw your rewards to your bank or PayPal account. You must acquire 2,000 diamonds, which is $10 US dollars, before asking TikTok to pay your rewards. So essentially you can make money with TikTok by just going live. Now there are some legal requirements and things like that. If you do want to know some more information about this, you can go to the legal page and they give you some more information about the virtual currency policy, about the coins, purchasing coins and how coins are used, and then who can earn diamonds and how you can earn diamonds, and then also about withdrawing your diamonds as well. And they have a full page on how you can actually go and withdraw those diamonds. So you turn those diamonds into money and you can withdraw them to your PayPal and your bank account. Now, we don't need to touch much on this because it's very simple. You go live, you get gifts and diamonds, and you transfer those diamonds into cash that you can then withdraw to your bank and PayPal account. A very simple way to make money on the TikTok platform. Now, another super easy and cool way to make money on TikTok is by doing something called print on demand. Now, print on demand is a very simple business method, and this is how it works. What you can do is you can use websites like teespring.com, and you can go down and you can go and get your own t-shirts created. And the best thing about this method is you don't have to hold any inventory, nothing. These guys actually send the t-shirts and products out for you. Now, if you're thinking to yourself, well, I don't know what to design, I don't know how to design things, you can simply go to a website called fiverr.com and people will actually create multiple designs for you for $8, $24. Remember, this is a New Zealand dollar, so it's a lot cheaper in US. This one, $32. These guys will actually create multiple designs for you so you could sell t-shirts or other items on your TikTok account. And all you need to do is share the product, collect the income, and they will send the product out for you. This is called teespring.com. Now, if you would like to do it in a bit more of a way where you get more control, what you could do is you could start your own Shopify store. So this is called shopify.com. I will leave a link below so you can grab a trial if you like. And what you can do with Shopify is create your own store, and you could actually link it to an application called Printful. Now, Printful is a print-on-demand application for e-commerce stores. So what you can actually do is these guys will do the same as Teespring. They have all of the products. You get the design made up, and you sell their products on your store. Now, not only that, you can sell multiple products like t-shirts, hats, anything. If we go to products here, they do t-shirts, hoodies, polo shirts, tank tops. They do women's clothing, men's clothing. You can even do hats. You can even do accessories like phone cases, backpacks. So if we go to backpacks real quick, you can sell backpacks without ever touching the backpack. All you need to do is put your markup on it, have your own online store, and then link your online store on your TikTok account. So let's say, for example, you have a TikTok account on health and fitness. You could go to fiverr.com, ask someone to make you some health and fitness designs, go back to Printful, and then go and either do like some t-shirts or something like that with the health and fitness design on it, and then sell it on your online e-commerce store with Shopify, upload it there, and then link it onto your TikTok that's related to health and fitness. And this is another great way that you can make money online with TikTok, and that is by doing what we call print on demand. So number 4, guys, is we can do something called TikTok shoutouts and brand deals. Now we're going to go through this one quickly because we're going to have another one up next, which is really good as well. So what you can actually do is you can go to fiverr.com, and for example, you could put in TikTok. you could go down and you can do what are called TikTok growth services. So you can pay people to grow your TikTok. Now, there's a few ways you can do this. You can do TikTok growth services, or you can actually find people that already have TikTok pages and they are willing to do shout outs for you. Now, there's a reason why you want to do this, and we'll talk about that in a second. So this person here has got 251 reviews, and she will do shout outs. She will promote your TikTok. Very straightforward, simple to understand. Now, if we go back to here, there's other people that will also do that for you as well. And there's also TikTok influencer marketing section on Fiverr, where it pretty much got the same things as well. People are willing to help you grow your account, give you shout outs. Like this guy right here will give you a shout out on an 800,000 follower TikTok. Now, why would you want to do this? Because TikTok actually has a section called Creator Marketplace, and you can get put on the Creator Marketplace. And when you get put on this marketplace, you need to get accepted. You'll get a notification. But when you're on here, companies are looking for people to do brand deals for them, and they can range from insane amounts of money. So my partner has a TikTok. She does deals sometimes, and she will get paid $2,000, $3,000, all the way up to $5,000. She'll get sent things. She just got sent a new Xbox controller to do a shout out on from Microsoft. So you really want to go and get your TikTok account growing as much as possible so you can start getting yourself on the TikTok Creator Marketplace, so you can start doing brand deals where you get free products, and you also can make money by recommending specific product. Now, another great way to make money with TikTok is to promote your own course. So you probably have some sort of skill. Like if your TikTok is about health and fitness or something like that, you could do a course on how to get fit. However, you might not know where to actually post this course. What you can do is you can use a website called udemy.com, where they have different types of courses in lots of different types of categories. So we've got design, development, marketing, business, photography. So let's say you have a TikTok account on photography. I don't know if that's a thing, but you might have one on photography. You could come to udemy.com, you could put up a course on how to be a better photographer, and then what you could do is you could promote that course on your TikTok account like we did with the affiliate marketing, but it's your own product. Remember, with TikTok, you're going to be building up a community. That's kind of the point of the platform. And if you have a skill that you can provide and you can make money by providing a course, then go ahead and do that by making a course, posting it on udemy.com, and then posting that link to your course in your description on TikTok. All right, guys, so those are 5 ways you can make money on TikTok. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, tap that notification bell, and I'll see you on one of my next videos.